Hi, today I'm ready for Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. So here we can see the media call, ringtone and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you wanna to use the vibration for calls, you should click on the swatcher. Here we can set the don't disturb mode. We can change the allow the calls and notifications or messages from just anyone or someone, to turn it on, to turn it off, to change the duration, and to turn it on automatically, for example to set the schedule, the start and the end time. Also we can use here the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change the device ringtone and notification sounds, and in advanced settings also here we can change the alarm sounds, and we can turn on and turn on the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds, touch sounds, vibration sounds, and power on and off sounds. So just to do that, we should click on each of the swatchers. And in sound attachment we can also use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.